What's up, Level Up? How you doing? Sorry if my music's a little loud. I got a lot of stuff in the background right now. Hopefully you can hear me. And I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. Level Up. I appreciate it. morning, Patrick. How you doing? Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll try to answer it as best I can. If you guys have any questions, you guys can leave a comment and I'll answer it best I can. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. Try to help out as best I can. So kind of what I'm doing right now, I'm kind of just waiting for something to kind of happen. We are kind of getting rejected right here at this resistance. So if you kind of do notice, we did have a little fake out right here. This was a little fake out that's kind of happening. Came back into the range. And then it did respect that line right there. Let's see, this line is, it's only a 20 pip range. I was thinking about something like this top wick to come back down, but got into it a little too late. So I'm kind of just waiting right now. I'm just kind of just hanging around, seeing if I see anything. But this was a rejection, so that was obviously the right idea. Hey, what's up, Classic? Sorry, I just seen your message right now, but no, I haven't caught anything. What it's looking like was this was the move right here. If I was gonna catch anything, that was definitely the little setup that I would have been looking for, was to hopefully catch that. But yeah, so yo, what up, Classic? What up? What up? What up? Were you able to catch that move on the Asian session? The one that Wix was able to catch, Classic? I caught a 10 pip on Asian. Um, this little move right here, if you looking on the screen, this was the move I caught. It was a little bit early, but I was able to secure 10 pips, so that was kind of the move I wanted. But after further investigating, this was definitely the move you would have wanted. So I didn't catch the good move, but I did catch a move. So yeah, so like I said, what I would have wanted was this right here, was to catch that bottom, but it's looking like, you know, I'm gonna have to wait a little bit, see for something to choose a direction, and, you know, start forming some candles that I'm looking for. If you do notice, we did just come down here. I caught 24 pips or something. I should have let it run. I'm not on Wix's table. Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool then. And yeah, then that's what I was hearing. A lot of people weren't able to hold that trade, but you know, who really knew it was gonna go this high? Nobody really knew. But yeah, so look, this is where we got rejected, right? Then we came all the way back, and then now it's support. So I mean, we could still do the same thing. But man, classic 24 pips, that's pretty good, man. That sounds like that's a good day already. Do you need any more pips today? Pineapples, I put it in Discord. I think you comment on it. Oh yeah. I did. Yeah, I remember. Agent session. Let's see. Yeah, I'm looking for it right now. Oh yeah, classic. I seen what you did. Ooh, that pineapple was nice. I like that one. That one was a good one right there. Yeah, I could definitely see where you went in at. So I could see where the pineapple was the best. I'm glad you were able to close that first one even in a little bit of profit possibly, or if not break even. And then the second one is the one that really did this damage. That was a good move right there. Yeah, that pineapple strikes again. And from what I was watching, just kind of looking when I was watching it all fall when it was happening, or it was over here actually. So like I said, when I got into the trade right here, I was thinking, oh, this was at first I kind of thought this was gonna be the move right there, was gonna be this one, but it ended up going lower. But if you notice, it went exactly to our spot, which was just the previous support over here. So we just had a line right here respecting support, and then if you go over here, this is exactly where we were wicking off on, and that was the bottom of that, which is where your pineapple was. So your first one was somewhere around here, and then your pineapple one was somewhere right here, and I think you closed probably somewhere right here. So that was definitely a good trade. Wix does it again. That's why you stay calm and trust the system. Calm and trust the system. Yeah, so that was classic commented. I thought so too, but it dropped and the hourly created the bottom wick, and Wix and them got in at 1887. Let's see, 1887. We were right here, 1887, right here, and like I said, from the actual peak to where it did end up going, On the 1 hour, it didn't make a new lower low, so it was just moving up little by little. But that was 80 pips right there. Possible 80 pip move that Wix was able to secure again, man. That's the thing is, the only reason why I believe you guys did close out was just because you guys didn't get that bottom wick. Because I mean 87, but that was 87 happened to be your, I believe you guys' second pineapple, right? So or yeah, or so or something like that. But what I'm saying though is that had your guys' first position been that second position, you guys would have been able to hold that whole 80 because you guys would have been able to bring your stop losses to break even, and you guys' entry would have been so good, it would have been rare that it would have been tapped. So yeah, like I said, Wix was perfect on that one. And the thing is too is that it's what I've kind of realized is that when you do take those trades, I mean, if you get that 80 pip runner, that's the one out of maybe like 3 or 4. You know, it doesn't always happen that way. But if you're able to, like, that's why I think it's important to really get good at trailing your stops, because if you could trail your stops, then that's where you're going to get the, if you guys could trail your stops, that's where you'll be able to catch the runners, because I think a lot of the runners happen. I didn't watch the stream, just learn from learning. Yeah, I wasn't able to watch it either, but like I said, just from looking at all of their entries and stuff. And I believe Wix has probably already uploaded his stream, so I mean, like I said, I'm sure his stream is up already. You could see where the trade was at. But yeah, like I said, I think the trailing the stops will be the one that really helps catch those runners, because like I said, it's just and it's also the entry. When you get into a good entry, you're able to hold longer, just because most likely that spot won't be tapped again. But like I said, if it gets tapped again, you're gonna probably get out the trade at that point, but at least you'll be break even, you know. So that's why it's important to trail your stop losses, take your profits when you can, because you're not always gonna catch a runner. You know, I'd rather catch 10 pips every single time than hope for a runner and not catch anything. Okay. Oh yeah, I'll go have a look to see where they got it. Yeah, man. Yeah, I just seen a few people in the Discord. They were showing us like their charts and stuff, and it seemed like they were getting in around this area, because like I said, that was the area they were getting in at. Did you see the doctor guy stacking, bro? Nah, I didn't see that. Who do you mean the doctor guy? Stacking, bro. What does that mean? Alright, I'm not sure if I'm familiar with what that is. Smashing the buy button for pineapples. I think he had the same entry as me, but just like 5 of them. Wow. Did you see the doctor guy stacking, bro? Let me go. Oh, okay. The doctor guy from the Discord, the Doctor Bad Ghost. Yeah, I seen that move that he did. Let's see, what are you getting at? Oh yeah, right here. This was the move you're talking about. Let's see. That was the move. Yeah, it looks like he smashed he's at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions, and he got out all of them in the profit. Imagine. Excuse me. Yeah, my man's game. Yup. Imagine if he was able to hold all those positions to the top to where it went. That would have been a massive one right there. Man, that's pretty good though. That's pretty good. Oh shit, what the heck? What the heck? I can't get that screen back. Straight up, yup. That's true, bro. Yeah, I did see that though. That was pretty crazy. Bro, what the heck? I don't know why my screen's doing that. That is tripping. I've never had that before. The heck? Alright, there we go. Oh, what the heck? Alright, there you go. What the heck? I don't know what the heck that was about. That thing, like the screen didn't want to come back. Alright, let's see. This is an area right here where we are. Hey, what's up, bro? Just woke up, turning on a PC. All good, bro. No worries, no rush. Hey, good morning. Appreciate you for joining us. Yo. Appreciate you guys for joining. We calling today? Yeah, we're gonna try. That's the goal right here, is to try to get a call, but it's looking like this was possibly the move that we would have wanted. Would have been this little quick move right here, because this is exactly lining up exactly what I would have been looking for. But we're kind of just, like I said, now we're just kind of ranging here, kind of getting stuck in this area. This was looking like this was a top wick move right here. Let's see. So we do have like a range right here, I guess. kind of something like that. There's closing underneath that. Now we're pretty much at the bottom of this next area, closing underneath that. So we're underneath this now. So most likely we're gonna hit this. So, but like I said, the last time we hit these areas, look at what happened. Once we hit this area, we came up. We call it. I'm in Discord call. Oh, shit, my bad, bro. I just seen that. Sure, if you want to get on, yeah, get on that Discord. Jump in the trading area, and I'll jump in right now. And like I said, we'll see if we could get something going. I'll be muted for right now. But yeah, if you want to jump in that Discord, let's hop on if you want to talk. Hourly flip. Oh, look at hourly flip. Oh. So with that being said, we did respect support right here. So what I'm probably gonna wait for then, I guess since we are respecting support, what it's looking like is that we could come down and grab liquidity. You know, look at last time we needed to come here to hit there. Last time we needed to come here to hit that. So what I'm kind of gonna probably look for now is probably gonna wait for a possible something to come down here maybe before catching it going back up again. I just called you on private. Let's see. What do I gotta do? Do I just join the call? I've never done it before. That's why. Join call. Let's see. Hey, yo. Hold on 1 second. Let me turn this music down. Hello? You're kind of low. I don't know if it's my computer or what, but. Oh shit, my bad. Let me see 1 sec.
Is that better?
Yeah, I can hear you better now.
Yeah, it's probably because I just woke up.
Oh, okay.
I said about like calling privately, cause yeah, when I call you like this, I can do this.
Hello, bro. Hey, what's up, Ganit? How you doing today?
It's like you can share your screen, and it's like you remember last time we was talking about prices, we was so confused.
Oh yeah.
I would say a price and you didn't know exactly what I was looking at.
Yeah.
I have the stream version.
Okay, I see what you're saying. Share screen. Discord would like to record this computer screen. I said I have to open my systems.
No, so it should be on the bottom. It should be the middle button. It should say share screen.
Share screen. Okay, and then it says on Discord. What you're streaming.
Hold up, so you see the call? You see you have the disconnect mute.
Yeah, it says share your screen, and then that's when it gives me 3 options. It says which screen do I want to switch, or which one do I want to share?
Oh, it says what applications you just speak with Google tab.
Can you see my screen now?
No. Probably try again.
Share your screen. Screen 2. Unlock all resolution. Go live.
I still don't see it. I don't know why.
Oh no, it says this app doesn't have permission to record your screen. You may get unexpected results until you grant access. So I think it's just my settings. I have to go through my settings somehow. I'll do that right now in a second, but let me try to figure this out. trending bearish on hourly. Classic. Yeah, it is bearing. Um, Hold on, let me disconnect real quick. Watch stream. Okay, I can see your screen again. All right, let me All right, let me just go. I'll just look at your chart right now. Yeah, I will look at your chart.
As of right now, I just woke up, so I guess I'm just waiting. I did notice price been respected on this level multiple times.
Yeah, 1 second. Let me put your screen on. Let me put yours on the bigger screen. All right, I can see your screen on the big thing now.
So what I was saying is, I did notice that price been respected of this line right here,
Mhm.
and every single time it reach, uh, and it respects or it closes above, turns the other way. So for example, on here,
Yeah.
it closed above, it closed above, and then well, it didn't have level, but so it closed above, this closed above, so I will.
Yeah, yeah. And you see on the first area, um,
Oh,
the first area like the to the left a little bit. Yeah, like
right
that.
here.
Yeah, right there. But you see how this wick doesn't have a top wick right here? That big red candle doesn't have a top wick. It,
This one.
yeah, yeah, it doesn't have a top wick, so that kind of lets you know that that it needs to create a top wick. So if you see, we did break down, but that's how you kind of knew it was the bottom because there was no top wick, and that's why it did create another top wick coming back up.
Oh, that okay. That does make sense. Yeah,
You see that? So yeah, that's what I'm just kind of trying to point it out so that way, like I said, next time you could always, because top wicks and bottom wicks are very important.
but I could have. I could. If I would have knew that, I could have taken a better entry.
Yeah.
um,
So also too, you took that trade on what, like the 15 minute, or the 5 minute,
uh,
30 minute?
yeah, it was 15.
Oh, the 15. Okay. Yeah, I mean that looks like a good trade, but what made you get in at that point? Like what confirmed it for you?
Uh,
Y-
Hold up.
yeah.
What I see?
Because that's why I say it's important to, like, why Don Vo always says to follow your playbook. For that reason is because you need to know why you got in, and things like that.
Oh, oh, I did. I know why I got it now. I probably should have waited more because of this. Once again,
Uh huh.
but the reason I got in is because uh, price closed above this level. Same way right here.
Yeah.
Price closed above this level, and then they had a uh, small bottom wick, and I waited for this rise.
Yo, what's up, Jonathan? I just seen your message. Sorry. Yeah.
I was expecting. I was expecting. Oh shoot! I was expecting for this candle to make a bottom wick and close above the level again, but it didn't. And by that time, I was already in. So for next time, I should be a little bit more patient and wait for the confirmation. Because like Don says, we don't want to be lucky.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly that's kind of why I say too, to always understand why you're getting in and why you're getting out and stuff like that, even before you get into it. That way you're not guessing when you're inside of it. But I mean, that was a good trade. If, like I said, if whatever confirmed it for you to be able to point that out, that's a good trade. Um, I'm gonna move your screen back over, and I'm gonna put this one back up. Yeah. So kind of like let me try to get this so I could share my screen. One sec. I need to do this system. Go through this system preferences. I think system preferences. Let's see. Oh wait. Um, let's see. We're gonna have to go to Discord. Let's see, privacy.
there anything on the playbook about what we're seeing right now?
Well, on what's going on the chart right now,
Uh,
or what did you say?
classic. No, classic. It was just
Oh,
on my
okay.
string. I didn't hit a stop
Oh,
loss.
okay. Let me see. Which
So what
trade
else?
is this? You hit stop loss.
No, I
Oh, that
didn't.
was
It's just I have my stuff black and white. Yeah, it's confusing. I hate TV.
you hit. Yeah, he hit TP on that trade.
It's just yeah, I know. It's because my charts are black and white, bro. Yeah, I got my charts on like no color.
Oh, I see what you. Oh
Oh
yeah, remember like we were talking about.
yeah, so it don't matter. Like if I would explain, like the lighter side is probably the other side is. It was about to hit my. So I did tell you that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And classic. That was his trade. Oh, okay. I can't see screen properly. Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah,
Now we're just being patient. That was an Asian trade. That was a trade I took in the Asian session.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
oh, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. I'm
Just
gonna try to figure this Discord stuff out. Anyways, go ahead.
if you want to, just literally search it up on Google. Search uh how to grant recording screen permission to Discord and MacBook.
Yeah, yeah.
Literally just type that in. It should show up.
All right. Mm, mm. Classic said invite me to call. Yeah. Let's see. Honestly, classic. I don't know how to invite you. I'm still learning how to use all this Discord stuff. But when he gets back, I'll tell him to invite you. See if we could.
I'm back.
All right. Hey, could you by chance invite Classic to the chat? He said he wants to talk for a little. He wants to talk. See, or we could just do it in that main one.
Oh, we can go in there, but then if we go in there, we won't be able to share screen.
Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. Yeah, it's all good for right now. That way we could all just
But we
talk.
can go. Yeah, we can go there.
All right,
That's
let's
fine.
go to a classic.
Just
Go to the Discord, and then go to the then go to the trading voice area in the
all
Discord.
right.
He's right there.
This is flipping on the 30 minute. Uh,
Let's see. Okay. Yeah. So the 30 minute.
30.
Let's see.
Okay.
Okay. That 30 minute is respecting that support to the left. So that kind of does let us know that if we do go down, there's a good chance that we could still close back inside of there. And this hourly, like I said, even the hourly is still respecting that previous support. Mm, let's see. There he goes. Yo, what up, Classic?
Me voy a traer agua, por favor.
Your mic is muted though,
Bro,
Classic. Just in case you
bro,
was.
I started school in 2 days, bro. I'm gonna be I'm gonna be hopping in here, then going to school, bro. I'm gonna be that in school.
Oh, damn, that's what's up, bro. Hell yeah. Hey, man. One thing, if you really want to do this, don't try not to lose sleep trying to do this. Make sure you're well rested. But what I mean is like,
Yeah.
if you can go to sleep early, go to sleep early. That way, because you're gonna wake up for
Oh
this.
yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Cause
yeah.
now knowing
Take
that
your
I'm
sleep
gonna wake up to
serious.
this.
But yeah, that's cool,
Yeah.
man. Hey, classic. Your mic is muted. In case you were
30 minute just flip berries.
30 minute, just flip.
I think hourly too.
Let's see the
30 minute,
15. 15.
30 minute and 15 turn berries on the same point.
Hmm. The only thing is that that current candle doesn't really have a top wick. So in order for us to drive down, we're definitely gonna have to grab more liquidity. So I'm thinking this could just be grabbing
Okay.
liquidity from the bottom to come back up.
I mean, yeah. But we gotta wait for the
Let's
30 minute
see.
or 1 hour to close. See how
Yeah.
that goes. So we still
Okay,
have a
so
minute.
on the 5 minute, we just closed underneath that range.
Because if you think about it, the 15 doesn't have a top width.
Barely, yeah,
But then
barely.
if you look at the 30 and the hourly, it does has a wick.
Yeah, they do. But then that's what tells me too is the fact that on the 30 minute, that previous red candle, the bigger one, is still respecting that previous support to the left.
I mean,
So we could be inside of that range one right there. Two. Let's see.
we can just wait as of now.
Yeah. Let's see.
Bro,
Yeah.
downfall intro animation goes hard. Not the one where he had the little car.
Uh huh. You talking about the
Where it's like
intro?
a little, yeah, where he puts it in the intro and at the end where it's the car that goes through his setup.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but that animation hard, bro.
I know. It looks pretty tight. I like the way he did that. Whoever did that did good. Yep, I gotta change my settings.
Yeah, but if you search it up on Google,
Yeah,
it
I'll
will
do it. I'll
check
do it when I'm
to
not on stream, just so I'm not opening a bunch of stuff on stream, and just in case I don't.
yeah, that is true.
Yeah, but yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it tomorrow, before I get on stream, cause today I kind of want to sleep a little early so I could wake up, cause I still have to go to. I have to get ready for work in about an hour, so. But yeah, like I said, I'm kind of doing the same thing for work. You know, I'm just waking up early before work, and then.
Are you gonna try to get some sleep before going to work?
Yeah, well, I still take it because I remember how I was telling you I ride the bus up once I get to work, and then get to work, and then just look at trading all day. And when Don Vo work, because tomorrow is Monday, so Don Vo will be on stream. So while I'm at work, I'll just be listening to his stream for a few hours. And I don't
Astro,
trade when I'm at work though. But
Astro is streaming.
what was that?
Astro is
Oh
also
yeah, yeah, I
streaming.
seen that. Oh yeah, let me pull up his stream. Let me see what he got going on.
It's hourly as
Let's see, Astro. See what Astro got going on.
yeah, 4 hours closing in 30 minutes. We need to close below this area. We need price to close below this.
I think he's looking for sell. Just pretty interesting. Not gonna lie.
Let's see. Well, let's watch
Right,
Astro
this is
for a
good.
little
This
bit.
is really good.
Right. Yeah, that's a nice little chart you guys going on. Let's see. Some nice
He is
level.
waiting for the four candle to
The way
close
price
below
is
the
moving
level.
is really nice. Okay, we're now following. We went like this. We came down. We came up. We couldn't break this area. We came down, retested this area. We're gonna push further down. It's simple. Hopefully, we just have nice drop continuously.
He's looking for a sell.
Yeah, that's the thing I'm saying though. That's why you gotta like be patient. Cause
As long as
what
this
if it
candle
doesn't?
doesn't reject this whole candle and close above,
Uh,
we're good for. If you're in a position here, that's good. If not, entering above below this area is still perfectly fine. That means the
I'm
5 minutes
saying,
is also gonna
what
fit.
if it
Once
doesn't play
that
his
candle
way and it
closes,
plays
this
the
five
other way?
minutes is also gonna fit.
Exactly. That's
He gotta be ready for. He gotta be
This
ready
five
for
minute
both.
closes below here again, with a massive top wave rejecting this area. Even closes below here, just like around this area. Yes.
all right. So he's
I do like the way
respecting.
he has his stuff. He
Yeah,
has a
yeah.
great
I
tweak. I'm
like
not
that.
gonna lie.
I like that. That's what I'm trying to see.
Okay,
I'm trying
five
to see
minute
what he's
close.
seeing. That way I could try to
Decently, yeah,
understand.
we close below. Nice, we close below.
So he does
Let's
have
see
a
how this candle
support right
closes.
there where that's at, and then his next really main
Yeah, I have it. I
support.
have it too. But
Oh
I
wait,
do
I'm on
mine
the
is not
phone.
gonna lie. But
Yeah,
the thing is that,
I see. That's what he's talking about like
he
that.
looking at the five though. The five
Guys,
is
Yeah.
just do
crazy.
this. Just please. Do it for
I don't really
yourself.
train on
It's
the
not
five
remaining.
because five
Do
barely
this
gives you like top weeks and bottom weeks.
for a long time and
Yeah,
then you can get
the only thing is with the five,
full understanding on fundamentals.
what Donvo pretty much does is
Oh
that
my god, this is horrid.
he uses the higher time frames to um he uses the higher time frames to pretty much find the trade, and then he uses the 5 minute to enter the trade, because when you use the 5 minute you'll get closer to the top of the move, whereas if you wait for like the hourly you might get a little bit lower and stuff.
Alright.
So yeah, that's the one key. But what he's been using a lot lately is the 15 minute. So what he's been
Yeah, I
doing,
love the 15.
yeah, the 15 he's been finding, because it's been like you've been able to read it. So if you could read the 15 minute better than you could read the 30 or an hour, just because it's cleaner, use the 15 and then use the 5 for your entry. So that way you get a better entry. So that's what Donvo used to wait till the 30 minute, hourly, 4 hour to take the trade. But what he's kind of realized is that in order to get the best entry, you need to be pretty much already waiting for it at the 5 minute, pretty much. But it makes sense because, like I said, when I'm looking for a trade, let's say on the hourly or whatever, the 5 minute is always usually lining up right for it. But yeah, all right. Let me actually. I could keep his stream going just so we could see what he's thinking. Astro knows what he's doing, man. Props to Astro. He definitely knows what he's doing.
The monthly is really strong. Weekly just opened up. Still, the previous week was strong.
Oh, look how
Below
the
this
lines it
area,
looks when you
really
look at it from
strong.
the big time.
Oh damn, that looks
Bro,
like
look like you got a freaking barcode.
you got a
Yeah, this is
barcode.
alright.
But when you look at it normally, it looks alright. But when
Yeah,
you look
yeah.
at it on the week,
Just there's no volume. Usually in the days when there's no volume, better to stay out.
Let's see.
Like this is horrid.
Or
This
is
is
it
also
this?
horrid. Stay out. Like there's no point taking the trade.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see where he puts his lines at. He has one there at the bottom. Yeah, that's where I have my white one at.
Alright. Okay, doesn't matter.
No,
Does anyone have any
we're good on the
questions? 'Cause
level.
I'm just gonna leave after this candle closure.
What was that?
We're good on the levels, bro. We have
Yeah,
to-
This
yeah.
candle does.
I'm just
like,
trying to see what what he's
If
saying.
this candle breaks this candle will start to drop, right? Will start to drop because this. Look at how this candle rejected. Yeah,
That is true.
Right. Nice job. I personally got in around here.
No, I would personally wait.
My
I would
SLs
personally
around
wait
this
for the
area.
price to close below that,
I'll close the
below the
trade out
average,
fully if
the
it
average
close back
system
up.
level.
So he's already in a trade? Is that what he's in?
No, he
What's
said
this
if he
Chinese
breaks
music?
that, you probably get in a trade.
Oh,
But
I
I
see.
would personally wait for it to break
Yeah.
1887.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, I guess I could even move this up a little bit. I'm thinking.
I'll just be patient and wait.
Yeah, yeah.
That's all we can do, brother. Just be patient and wait.
Hey, what's up, Classic?
For the closing,
I'm just I'm just
It's a
waiting right
bit
now, bro.
choppy.
Yeah, it is a bit choppy right now.
I gotta look at the 15, bro.
Got the 15, yeah. She's pretty
15.
ugly.
15 makes no sense at all.
Dang, it's like a fake out to the downside, a fake out back up, and then a fake
Mm-hmm.
out back down.
Right now, we just gotta chill.
Yeah,
What if this candle comes and closes above? I'll close the chart and my own trade.
It's this Astro.
Huh?
This Astro.
Yeah, we got he got his shrimp up. You can hear Astro shrimp through his mic.
He's twitchy on the
what was that?
style of trading. He's real twitchy. His mind is he's going for.
Okay. You're cutting out, my brother.
Oh, sorry.
It's all good.
Alright, okay, 30 minutes opened up. This candle closed bearish, hoping if it closed below here, this candle could just come up and retest around this area and start to fall. I just closed out my trade. I just don't see the point in being in it anymore. I got in like this. This
He
was my
closed
entry.
this
Like
trade.
here,
I
this
didn't
was my
even
entry,
hear.
Why?
right?
Why he got in that? That is insane.
This was the entry that I. Oh shit.
I didn't even see that he got into
This
it.
was my
I
entry.
per I personally I would have waited more, bro. That's insane.
Somewhere around here. And I was gonna keep it to like 1883.
It's all good. Like I
I
said,
should.
he
I mean,
sees
I could have
something.
kept it, but
I
fuck
trust
it,
what
there's
he's
no
doing. He knows what
reason,
he's
right?
talking about.
It could probably still push
That's the
further
thing. You
down.
just, if
And GJ, there's nothing.
you don't.
So
That's
let's see
also
what
important why
DXY
you
doing.
don't follow what everybody
DXY
says.
is
You
going
use
down,
them as an
and gold is
idea.
going down. It just doesn't make sense.
You get the idea
All
from
right,
it.
just stay out. There's nothing to trade. Wait for once USD closes above 103.4 and gold closes below 1887.5. Try watch out for sales. Just if you have even a normal trading view, you could just add an alert.
All right. Yeah, I'll just keep watching.
Yes,
I'll
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I need price to break through that level before I like
we,
think about getting on
we
positions.
technically are breaking 15. Let's see.
Cause he got in that position like even before he broke the level. That's kind of crazy.
Yeah. No, but yeah, like I said, it is respecting. Or you know what? Let's see. No, that's not right. Yeah. I'm wondering if I should. This. Let's see. I need to figure this out. Let's see. That's a range and that's a range. So I'm wondering if I could, if that's a range like that. Excuse me.
Pretty.
Bro, what is that sound?
You hear something?
No, I was talking to my little bro.
Oh. Break even session for me. I'll see you in New York. MMH from Discord London said break even. He got a break even.
Where he got on?
I'm not sure. Probably around the same area that Astro was saying. But this is what I'm saying is that this 5 minute doesn't have a top wick. So in order for us to keep continuing to drive down, we need a top wick because like I said, it's just not doesn't have enough liquidity. Cause look, even when we came this high as high as 1890, we still only came down the area. I mean, I guess that is true. I mean, if you look to the left a little bit, on the 5 minute,
1890 was probably the liquidity guy.
could be, yeah. And then the last time we did touch that area, we did come all the way down to 1886. So I mean, this could possibly even creep down to 1886 and then make its way back up possibly. But we're kind of just ranging and we're stuck in this little area right here. So let me see. The daily is still green. Previous is still green, and then the
But I got no
four.
news today.
Yeah, no. Then the previous is still, so everything is still kind of bullish. So that's why it's not pushing down, just for the fact that that's happening. All right, so that's that. That's that. Yeah, no, that explains why, like, how he got into that trade and it probably didn't push down because of the fact that, like I said, when you go to the 4 hour, the previous candle is still green. I mean, it's gonna close in 4 minutes, but that could change right now. But the overall daily is still technically green, so that's kind of why it doesn't push like a straight push. That's why it's too important that you also look at your dailies and you look at your 4 hours, because those bigger time frames will give you your bias. So if they're both red, it's probably kind of iffy to take a buy. Just because unless it's breaking like a level 2 range and stuff, which is giving you confirmation. But like I said, you'll you,
Or unless you're like just grabbing a liquidity gap.
yeah, exactly.
But if you do that, you know you can't expect no big pips.
Yeah,
That's also another thing. People who grab liquidity grabs expect for like huge pips, right? Like, come on, you're grabbing a liquidity grab.
yeah.
You don't even you're going against the direction that it's actually going. Like, bro,
Oh, okay, so let me see this. I see something. So look, I have this I could put this.
and Astro is done.
Not much happened this session, eh?
Hmm?
Yeah. Okay, so
Happened.
all right, so what I am seeing though, bless you. What I am seeing
Okay.
though is on the 5 minute. Oh, let's see. We
Bro,
are.
people who say COD, bro, people just talking about COD 11 pips on at 8 p.m. on the New Year session. Like, bro, what? That's why you got a whole Asia session chat, bro. Bro, bro, we got separate chats, bro. If people come COD 11 pips 7:38 p.m. I'm like, bro,
Anyone like in New York? Come on.
that's that's like me trading right now, sharing on the New York chat. It's like, bro, you don't even need the right chat.
And then
I need to. I'm gonna do some more lines. Like I said, I want to redo these lines again, see if I see something different. All right, we do have this resistance here. We have this support here. We have this resistance there. Let's see this
You
1 hour.
just watch God watch the band.
That's that one. That'll be that one. I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. Where the music at? Where's the music at? I don't know. I'm just a little confused right now, so that's why I'm gonna just redo a few lines and try to see what areas I can find. Sometimes it just flows so smoothly, sometimes it doesn't.
Bro, right now I'm just watching YouTube video. Because right now I'm just waiting. I'm
Yeah,
just waiting for Brian to do
yeah,
something
no,
show.
that's why too. I'm gonna try to do these lines and see if I could see anything.
So
So it's like, what's the point of me just staying on the chart, like trying to see something different? I'm just
Yeah,
waiting.
yeah. Be patient. Like I said, if you don't see
Yeah.
nothing, just just wait. So I have that kind of. Let me hold on. Let me see. Okay.
Just walk one to the pen.
Oh shit.
What was that?
Adjust your sound volume. Crank. What the heck? I don't know what the hell that was. So let's see. With this 5 minute. Let's see. We have a line here. We have a line here. Okay, that could be that right there. That could be that right there.
Okay. It's respecting the level.
Yep. But one thing though is that if you zoom in a little bit, it's still underneath this previous resistance over here at the 19 or 1888. If you look to the left, there's like a resistance right there, and the previous 5 minutes still closed underneath that. So at any time, we could still be breaking up. We could be going up just to come back down still, because we haven't broke out of that range yet. So let's see. Oh, the 15 minute, still respecting it. So yeah, I'm not feeling this right now. That is not looking too good. Okay, that has to be the range right there. And then this could be the range right here. .15 minute. Yeah, let me do this 15 minutes. 15 minutes a little bit more clean. Donvo does say that if it's clean on the 15, do it on the 15. If it's clean on the 30, do it on the 30. All right, I think I might have something here. Let me see the 5 minute. I guess I could adjust that there. Could adjust that or so.
Yeah, I like that level at 1889.
1889.
1889.20, that level you have, bro.
Yeah.
That's a good level.
Yeah. Cause like on the 15, it makes more sense. Everything is respecting it. So over here, we gotta respect. We gotta respect. We gotta respect. We gotta respect. Respect. And respect. So all of those respects are definitely good confirmation. That's a good level. That's a good thing you noticed that. Even on the 30th.
What are those markers that you're using? Oh, you're using a highlighter.
Yeah, it's the highlighter. Yeah. That just so you guys can kind of tell where I'm pointing at. The 15, this is the 30-minute, the hourly. So the 4 hour closes in about 13 minutes. So in about 13 minutes, we'll see what happens. But we are respecting this resistance. So if we do come back up, it'll be to 1893 before we continue down. Meaning we have to come back up here in order for us to continue down. Well, look, we actually came as high as 1896 before we did make this giant drop down. So, man, sometimes it just flows, sometimes it just not. Hey, Sin, yesterday was your first day at school, or today's your first day? You said for school?
No, I start on Tuesday.
Oh,
so
Tuesday.
Tomorrow.
But yeah, that's your first day?
Yeah.
Oh,
It'll be my first day of my senior year.
oh, nice.
I'm just trying to get done with it. I'm tired of it.
Yeah, I feel you, bro. Start your real life.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna be an adult. I'm gonna have to start paying taxes.
Okay, you gotta
It's
start
not,
working,
bro. It's gonna be
yeah.
hard.
But that's why, like I
It's
said,
hard, bro.
hey, you dedicate your life now while you got the time, and you're gonna be grateful you did that. Hey, Solomon, how you doing? Hi, my first time here. What are your plans for gold? Hey, so right now, Solomon, we're kind of just
We're just watching.
yeah, we're watching right now because we're kind of just ranging inside of these areas right now. Kind of what I want to
Pretty much.
see is I want to see some. If we're gonna be taking buys, we would probably have to be taking buys somewhere down here in order to start grabbing some kind of liquidity. Or even the same thing, if we want to come down, we need to come up here to grab some liquidity. Because if you kind of notice right here at the top and then the bottom, we're directly right in the middle. And that's not where you're going to be wanting to trade at. You don't want to trade in the middle of a range. You want to either catch the top or the bottom. But like I said, in order for us to push, we're definitely going to need to come down to grab liquidity. So like I said, the last time we touched this bottom area, we came back up to the top. So in order for us to come back up to this top, we're going to need to hit this bottom first to come back up. So before we even make our next
Why you
decision,
took off the line?
wait, what was that?
You took off your line down there.
Oh, I did by accident, my bad. Was it, see that one maybe? Yeah. I mean, I could even move this one down a little bit too. Nah, I don't like that one. Yeah, something like
What do
that.
you mean it wasn't letting you talk?
But yeah, Solomon, I do know wasn't letting me talk. I don't know, it wasn't letting me talk. Yeah, it's all good, classic. I don't know why. Sometimes it might be your microphone or something. It's all right. It's all good though. We'll get that fixed so next time we could get that going. You smoking a J? I'm actually smoking a blunt. I got a Swisher and I got some of that stuff in it. But yeah, Solomon, how long have you been trading for, or do you have any trading questions or anything? Yeah, classic. I gotta go to work soon. Around 2:30, I'm probably gonna get off, and then head to work, take an hour and a half nap, show up to work, and
Oh, bro, you're just getting started.
yeah, I'm just getting started, bro. I won't be home because it's 2 a.m. where I'm at. I won't get home till tonight at 8 p.m.
Yeah, yeah. You texted me later while you was in the bed.
Yeah, I was on the
So
bus.
that is crazy. Your days are very long day.
Yeah, long days, bro. But like I said, it's just because of work. So, but like I said, I only work like I'll have my next 2 days off. So tomorrow's my last day of work, and then I'll have Tuesday and Wednesday off. So for Tuesday and Wednesday, I'll
Oh,
be able
that
to
is good.
yeah, I'll be able to trade, and then I have to go back to work Thursday, Friday. But then I got the weekend off. So it's just kind of like I work 2 days, then I'm off 2 days. I work
No,
2 days.
no, no. Hold on. Where do you work at?
I
I'm
work
sorry to ask.
I work at Tesla, where they make the cars at.
What? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You work at Tesla. Bro, you got the same schedule my mom got. She don't work. She don't work at that though, but she got. So she works two days,
Is
then
she
she
like
gets
a
2 days
nurse or
off.
something?
No, she's
Oh,
she works in a they make dog treats.
oh, I see.
In a, how do y'all call that, warehouse?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's like she works 2 days, then she gets 2 days off. Then she works 2 days,
Oh,
and
yeah.
then she gets 3 day off,
Yeah,
and
that's
then it flips.
exactly how mine is. That's exactly how mine is.
Oh shoot! And y'all literally got.
So
Oh,
she,
y'all have it flipped. So like now, tomorrow my mom is free. So it's Monday my mom is free. Tuesday my mom is free too. And you work Monday and Tuesday, and
yeah.
then my mom's gonna work Wednesday and Thursday, and you're gonna have it off. Okay, all right. So now I'm gonna be able to know when you're free. Whenever my mom works, you don't got no work.
Yeah, exactly. And Classic said, "Oh, and Solomon, you've been trading for 5 months. Hey, that's pretty good,
That's
man."
why that's why I told her. He's just getting started.
Yeah. Hey, Solomon. So I'm assuming you just maybe found my YouTube on. I mean, yeah, you just found my YouTube. Are you? Do you know who Don Vo is? How much? And if you don't know who Don Vo is,
My boy, a true fan.
for Don Vo,
He said,
man,
"God put you on into
I gotta
Dumbo."
put you on because the thing is I could teach you, but I can't teach you better than this guy. So the thing is
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, Dumbo is really good.
this guy right here, Don Vo. This is who I learned from, Solomon. So if you definitely want to learn even faster, more content, this guy is the one to find. And then when I do London streams, I kind of just take over in a sense, you know. So but the thing is I'm not sure if cause Solomon, I'm not sure if he found me through the Discord or if he just randomly scrolled through a YouTube and found it because he did say this was my first
Bro,
time
I
here.
like, bro, his YouTube banner is funny. Dumbo YouTube banner, it says, "I see a guy on YouTube called ICT."
Oh yeah. ICT's funny. Okay, thanks YouTube. Yeah, yeah. See, so how he kind of
Whoa,
came across my
whoa.
YouTube was just randomly on YouTube. So that's why he might not know who Don Vo is, but this is pretty much who I could say like my mentor in a sense, who taught me how to trade and stuff. So the reason why, like I said, I'm always a reason why I always mention him is because I'm always grateful for what he did. You know, him showing me everything he showed me, I wouldn't be where I'm at.
And
You know,
also,
so
Summit, as long as you're tuning into the streams, you're gonna learn no matter what. His
yeah,
information is free, and he'll be giving topic right every single day.
yeah. He gives free
Just
signals.
watch, bro, and you're gonna learn.
Yeah, and there's like I said, bro. It's a good community. If you're not aware, we also have a Discord. There's a Discord.
Which
You'll find it on his Instagram and YouTube and stuff like that. But like I said, there's a lot of trading and there's a big community if you want to join.
yeah,
And we
and we all
learn. We're
talk
all
so
learning.
every single day, bro.
Yeah, and if you
Every day we talk. If you have any questions, just go to the beginner questions,
yeah,
ask your questions, and we'll reply.
the guy
And
Donvo
if it's
trades.
not us,
Yeah, he trades New York. So I'm not sure if you're awake during New York or not, but you could always rewatch the streams, watch the analysis. So what I usually do is the first 30 minutes of his streams, he usually does an analysis. That's the important juicy part. You want to find that, you want to watch that and learn about how to trade through that. And like I said, just show up every single day, and I'll be streaming every single day for London also. So when you show up, if you have any questions, we're here to help. There's a few of us guys here. We're all trying to learn, and we're all just getting better.
bro, why are we just going sideways, bro?
I know that's that whole. I did hear about. It's either I forgot what they said. It's either Asian or London that does this a lot.
We
Because
just go sideways.
yeah, because if you do, because during Asian, it did do these big moves, and then now it's like, damn, we're dead.
I mean, if we are there, bro, my recommendation, bro, is end stream, bro. Get some sleep, and we'll be back on. We'll be back in the morning.
I know, I know.
Because
That is true.
we already created the low of the day and the high.
Exactly. That's a
So
good point.
we just I don't know. We just gotta wait now, and I don't think that's gonna happen now. It's been moving sideways. 15 minutes been moving like it's 1 minute. So
see.
I don't know, man. I'm gonna get some sleep.
Yeah, I feel you, brother. Catch some sleep, and I'll see you later. I'll probably be on for a little bit longer, and I'll probably be getting off too.
Yeah, of course. You got my Instagram. You got my Discord.
Yeah, yeah.
You can just send me a text or whatever.
I will, brother.
But I will get some sleep because I work later, and I also got stuff to do. So
Yeah,
I won't
bro.
be able to. And my actual schedule is gonna start again, and I won't be able to be doing what I've been doing on the summer, bro. I'll be on the summer, bro. I've been trading like a kid. I'll be trading, go to sleep.
Yeah, yeah. I
I
feel you.
can't be doing that no more, bro.
Yeah.
After I trade now, I gotta
Get your schedule
gotta work
right,
and all that.
and then just follow and stick to your schedule, bro. It's grind time. It's time to grind. Get that graduate real quick, and then you set, bro.
Yeah, and then I've been trading for like almost a year, and by the time I graduate, I'm gonna have I'm gonna learn a lot of new stuff. So I don't know what can happen from here to there, but let's see.
Yeah.
I'm gonna catch you later, man. Cause
Alright,
prices
yeah.
been stuck. Price ain't doing too much.
Yep. I'll see you later, bro. I'll catch you later.
See.
All right, peace. Yeah, classic. Awanda. Okay, I see. And Sullivan, what do you think about GJ? Honestly, I don't really trade. I've never placed one trade on GJ. I've only traded gold and Bitcoin. But I do watch Don Vo talk about
Before I go, bro.
oh yeah.
Do you know who this Spanish guy is, bro? He be on this chat mute
I don't even know. I see him in there.
every single day, bro.
I know, I see him.
Like, bro, the day he's not here, bro, I'm gonna start questioning what happened.
Yeah, I know. I see him.
This guy been here forever.
All right, man. I'll see you later.
But yeah, I'm about to go now for real.
All right.
Bye.
All right, peace. But yeah, Solomon, I've never traded it. Don Vo used to trade it, but what he kind of does is that he focuses just mainly on gold now. So, I look at US 30 once in a while, but honestly, even US 30, I don't really trade it or anything like that. Not that it's bad or anything, but it's just okay. Oh, look at classic. What I see on this is that we are that could be a top wick. That could be a fake out maybe. Because if you think about it, this was a fake out, but then this is a fake out too. For the reason that we're only on a level 1, we need to break a level 2, which would probably be this area up here. We need to close above that. Venice is actually Jerome Powell, 30-minute top wick fake out. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm seeing too, is a possible fake out. But I mean, Solomon, I'll look at GJ if you want. I know you did say if you want, but I was just wondering, do you trade multiple pairs? What I've been trying to focus on lately is just focusing on one pair because I have noticed that doing analysis on a bunch of different pairs kind of confuses me sometimes. Like, I'll be thinking of a support area that was on a different pair, and I'm kind of confusing it with certain. So I've been just focusing on one pair mainly, just so I could learn it and just, like I said, master one pair. Because if you can't trade one pair, not saying anybody you or in particular, but I'm just saying if in general, if you can't trade one pair, then you can't trade two or three pairs. So my main thing was focusing on just trading one pair and getting really good at it, and then being able to trade other things. But what I kind of learned from when I started trading was I learned trading Bitcoin. So I learned everything pretty much how Bitcoin moves and stuff. And then when I switched over to gold, I already kind of knew the system. Now I'm just learning about how gold moves, because gold doesn't move the same way as Bitcoin. So, but yeah, look at this US 30. Ooh, or actually look at, this is a level right here, and this is a level right here. But this doesn't really have a top wick. But yeah, that's US 30 right there for you. I've never looked at it. I've never really looked at it. I've seen it like other people's charts and stuff, but this is a, ooh, look at that. That's a nice area. I mean, you can even say that's a break right there then, if you think about it, because look, but then this doesn't have a bottom wick either. This doesn't have a bottom wick, so we're gonna need to create a bottom wick if that's the case. Need liquidity for the drive up, how it's set up. Yeah, like I said, these don't really have this. And the thing is, if you look to where the the pump happened at, it's there's no bottom wick right here. So there's no bottom wick, meaning eventually this is gonna have to create one. So I'm gonna go up to a higher time frame to where it looks like a fake out, where this obviously closed like that. But if you go to the 4-hour, this could be the next fake out. So if we did break above that, which is looking like we did, but like I said, there's always, you need to break level 1 and level 2. So this whole 4-hour, I mean, it has 4 hours to go as high as it wants to come back down, but like I said, if it also respected the previous high. So that was the high of that candle, and we just respected it. So that's what's kind of letting me know too, this could be the 4-hour fake out. It could be a 4-hour fake out, because I'm gonna take a guess and then say that the daily is bearish. Oh no, it's bullish. I was a guess. But like I said, the reason why was because of this coming down like that. It's looking like, but we did, like I said, the one thing though is the fake outs like this is a fake out right here. The fake outs always happen in the opposite direction of which way we're going. So if you do notice, a fake out is always, like, this is a fake out right here, we come down. This was a fake out, we come down. So it's just like I said, every time there's a fake out, it's usually in the opposite direction. So if that's the case, but like I said, this is a level 1. We need to break level 2 in order to be this a confirmation. So like I said, this is where we could possibly wick up, then come back down. But it being a possible fake out on the 4-hour, it is creating the top wick now. That could be the liquidity area, to be honest, because this doesn't even have a bottom wick currently either. Yes, we definitely need liquidity. Yeah. All right, but yeah, that's US 30. Let me get back to gold. Yeah, so what it's kind of looking like is that we're definitely kind of ranging. The 4 hour is bearish, and then the daily is technically bullish, which is kind of why we're not pushing down. It's because that daily bias is still kind of holding it back. But with that being said, we also did close respecting this. So like I said, if we come back down, we need to come back down here to grab liquidity. So if I were to take a buy, I'll probably have to wait till we touch these lows before coming back up to touch the highs. So one of them is going to happen first, either the low to touch the high or the high to touch the low. So I guess the idea would be to wait for one of those things to happen. You can't just take a trade in the middle of a range, because like I said, we have pretty much, this is a zone, this is a zone, this is a zone, and then this is a zone. So out of these, pretty much these two, this would be the middle. So look, this is level 1, and then this is level 2, which is why when we broke this level, we did come down. But the thing is this didn't have a top wick, which is also why most likely we either formed it. Yeah, we did form it. That is that right there. So then now that's done. So what would the next thing be? We come here probably to touch this next low. So what I'm guessing, I mean, you shouldn't guess, but what I'm probably going to wait for and look for is probably some kind of liquidity grab down here at this bottom area. So if you guys are familiar with anything, find a liquidity area. And this is kind of how I got that idea, because look, if you notice, I mean, either that one, let's see, so it wasn't that one, it was the previous. So it could even be this area right here, could even be this bottom line right here, because that is the liquidity area. Like I said, look, the last time we touched this line, this dotted line, look at what we did. We came up, right? But that was also after we came down to here for that liquidity. And like I said, at this same point, we did come up a little bit. But I think what's going to need to happen definitely is we're going to need to come down at least to this dotted line before we at least push back up to these levels. Or we're going to have to hit this bottom area. But that's what I'm going to wait for, though, is that I'm going to wait for my setup, which is either going to be at this point or it's going to be at this point. But I'm going to be looking for a specific something, what I've been working on, to see if this could be either the area right there, or if the area is going to be right here. Somewhere in these two areas, I think the liquidity could be grabbed, just because those are the today lows and highs. So we came here and touched it. So now this one, so now we came here. So that's why too, now it's just pretty much just sitting and waiting. It's what it's looking like. It's just because I think unless in a few hours, well, maybe because New York, they're just going to be waiting. This is what's going to be happening, and either right before New York, something's either going to happen, or a little bit after New York, when the obviously a new week, everything's starting, and it's the first day New York's open, so it might pick up the volume. That's where this volume probably is getting ready for this accumulation right here. What that usually happens is a move after that, because look at the last time we accumulated. You could say this was accumulation. We come down. Let's just find every single time we accumulate, accumulate here, come down, accumulate here, come down and up. Little accumulation down, accumulation up, accumulation up. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm seeing right now, is that I think this is just building up for New York, and that's going to be in a few hours. So 4 hours from now, which is one more 4-hour candle, which is also going to be the close of this candle. So what could be going on is that in order for us to come up, we're going to have to grab liquidity. So in order for us to come down, we need to grab liquidity. So for this next 4 hours is, I think, going to be doing is what's going to be, it's going to be getting ready for New York. So all of this just sideways movement could just be, something, it could even come down to here, but then come back up. Is because the reason why I say that is because if you go to where this is at, this support at this area, this is the support that we're still closing above. So with that being said, is that since we're respecting that support, most likely what would happen is that even if this candle does come down, since we respected that support, we could always come back up. So that's what I'm saying is could be happening. Because the way I kind of see it is that if this red candle would have closed underneath this little support area, that would have already confirmed that we were strong enough to continue down, and then this next candle would have been the wick up to come down. But since there's no top wick forming and we're just kind of continuing down, this is just like the weak momentum that's coming before we turn back around. So yeah, that's just kind of my idea right now. Oh, he's already off. I guess he is done. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. All right, so, but all profitable traders listen to EDM or trap beats while trading, bro. That is true, because it's the ultimate focus music. It lets you get in that zone and just ride it out. You don't really listen to no words. You just ride the beat and focus. It's a good focus music because it, like I said, it has a rhythm, but it's also a continuous sound. It doesn't slow, it doesn't make you think of words or nothing. So it's always a good music. I like it. It's relaxing. It does help me focus though. Like I said, that's probably why I'm able to just sit here and focus on the charts, because I got that music playing in the background. What is this? The music? Are you talking about the music? The music is lo-fi beats. Have you ever heard of lo-fi beats? There's like a live stream that you could type in lo-fi, and this is usually there's all kinds of different lives and stuff, different beats, different types of beats and stuff. I've just found that this was one that I liked because there's a few songs I like that I actually like in it. if you were wondering about what this is gold. Plan about watching streams right now. You trading or something? Hey Solomon, my name is Nick, but you could call me Bit. No, I'm good, fam. Mine fell asleep. I need trap. Might fall asleep. That's real. Yeah, yep. Catch up on your sleep, bro. Don't want to be all cranky in the morning. And Solomon, where are you from? I'm from the United States, in California. And Solomon too, if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube yet, make sure you like and subscribe. And also, I also have a Instagram. If you haven't, if you on Instagram also, you should join there. I post videos sometimes and a few other things, and just most of the time letting people know when I'm jumping on stream and stuff. And if you have questions, you can always DM me there. Oh, UK, motherland, Africa. Hey, that's what's up, man. That's good. That's good. So are you learning to trade to become a full-time trader, or are you doing this as like a little side hustle, or what is your kind of idea of what's your plan for trading? No, I want full-time. Hey, that's a good goal. My goal too. I want to do full-time. And this is why I say, Solomon, if you, that guy Don Vo that I'm talking about on YouTube, he trades full-time. He started with $100,000 and he's gotten his account all the way up to almost $1 million. He's at 900,000 right now. So like I said, it's just, and he gives out free signals every day pretty much. So if you're really trying to speed up the process, show up every single day. And Muammar, sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but I've lost about 20k US and still doing it. Don't want to give up, bro. Hey, that's a good mindset. Don't give up, because the only thing difference between a successful trader and a non-successful trader is that the successful one never gave up. But what I'm also gonna say, Muammar, is let's try to minimize your losses. I don't think it should take $20,000 of losses to really learn. Are you familiar? I'm gonna ask you also. Are you familiar with Don Vo, Muammar? If you're not familiar with Don Vo, just like I was telling Solomon, is that search Don Vo, DONVO, on YouTube, and he does his streams. That's who taught me how to trade. So what I'm saying though is that you need to work on your strategy and make sure you're aware of what you're doing. You don't want to be gambling, because if you're gamble, okay, Muammar, yeah, then I'm gonna have to show you also. Here, look at, like I'm saying, is this is the guy who taught me. All right, you search Don Vo on, and his he has a live coming up right now at 5, or for me it's in about 2 hours, but look, or actually it's in 1 hour from now at 3:30 it's gonna start. There's already 17 people waiting. I'm gonna watch it too, like I always do. This is the guy who showed me how to trade, and he also has his trades, how he makes his money, how he gets into them, how he gets out of them, things like that. Also, this is a channel I have, Don Vo Clips. You can also do this, Don Vo Clips. Ooh, I ain't even subscribed yet. What I'm saying is Don Vo Clips DVS. This is a channel that I run that I post all his analysis and stuff like that. So this is a good page that you could learn a lot from. But this guy is definitely one of the best traders I know. Um, like I said, what I would do is search up breakdown analysis under playlist and watch a lot of these videos. It gives them, it's just his analysis and stuff like that. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Um, I see what you're saying. That could be true. I have been following Donvo for a long time, and he's very transparent. Everything he does is in front of us. At the end of the day, we are the ones getting in and out of the trade. Because I'm sure if you win a trade, you're not saying, oh, it's Donvo's fault. If you lose a trade, it's Donvo's fault. But what I'm trying to say is, we're the ones responsible for it. You know, he just is there to kind of give us a little understanding of what we're trying to do. But like I said, I'm not sure if you follow him now, but man, he's incredible, bro. I watched a lot of different traders, and I haven't found one that does what he does. But yeah, I could understand that because I mean, I feel you. I mean, he's he says he used to work at a grocery store, and he never, that's all money that he's been able to make from trading and stuff when he first started his account. Like I said, I've been following Donvo for a long time, and I've seen when his account was down there. And like I said, I definitely could vouch that he's legit, you know. And all his trades are on a spreadsheet. You could definitely find all his trades and stuff at a spreadsheet. Let me see. I mean, you know, I mean, like I said, I'm in his Discord, a lot of that stuff. But yeah, I understand what you're saying, because I mean, people could say that about me, is because I'm not the best of trader. I'm not gonna say um, I know everything right now, you know, because I'm still learning myself. So, like I said, I could understand what you say, because it's just like if somebody follows me today, what I'm learning today is probably not what I'm going to be doing in a year from now. So I could understand that, you know, things change, and, you know, you just got to keep adapting, you know. So, but yeah, I mean, that's good that you're able to, you know, have your own strategy. And that's kind of his goal too. You know, he just wants to give you the blueprint of, you know, what he knows, and then you do what you want with the information, and you become your own trader type of thing. So, and that's kind of what I'm learning too, is just he's just helping me understand what I'm looking at, and now it's up to me to, you know, learn from there, you know. So, but yeah, I made a lot of money through IML. Shit even paid him to understand before he was profit. So I know he made a lot through selling courses and signals. Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it, you know. But his signals definitely work. You know, that's one thing about his signals, is that they definitely work. I don't personally pay for them yet. I do plan on it eventually when I get a little bit more profitable. That way I know it's not, I'm not really worried about, you know, because I'm not rich or anything. So it's like I still have bills to pay. The one thing that he does is he does it on live stream though. So the thing is, you can't fake what you do on live stream, because it's all there. He's, I believe this month he's 14-0, 12-0, 14-0, something like that. And each trade is on live stream, because like I said, I run the clips channel, so I clip every single analysis. I watch every stream and stuff. So that's what I'm saying. I keep track of the actual wins and the actual losses. And like I said, this whole month he's undefeated. So like I said, I understand though, but like how you're saying, you can't catch. But it's every trade is always different though. You know, not every single trade is gonna be a 50 pip runner, 60 pip runner. You know, sometimes You just got to take what the market gives you. Sometimes the market will give you more. Yeah, and hey, you live and you learn. I was like 2 to 4 months in when I paid for those. Yeah, I understand. That was a long time ago too, and that's kind of when he first started trading. Because he did say he's been trading for about 5 years. So, but I understand. I understand what you're saying. But like I said, that's a good thing though. Like that uh, you're able to, find your strategy that works for you and get profitable. That's the ultimate goal. Because the thing is, my ultimate goal too is not to have to listen. I don't, because even now, because obviously Donvo's not trading right now, I can't take a signal from him. But it's just like, it's like the ultimate goal is to be able to do all of it on my own anyways. So that is definitely one of my goals, is to just be able to do this on my own, which I mean I'm doing it already on my own. Yeah, I mean, like I said, that was a long time ago. I'm not sure. I don't even think I was following him back then. That was a while ago. But like I said, bro, if everything he does is all on live stream, like I said, if you what you say is what, if you were there, you were there. I wasn't there, so I can't say yes or no. But what I'm saying though is that every single trade he does is on live stream. Every single trade for every single day. And like I said, if you need to verify it, I can verify. I could vouch for myself that I could tell you myself that every single time that when he wins or loses, I post it. So for this whole month, for 12, 14 trades, or I forget what it is, he's undefeated right now. Let me see. Let me see what the. Yeah, and like I said, if you want to look at his journal, I have his journal right here. Let me see. Commands. Right here, trading journal. Or not, that's just to download it. How do you find his? But yeah, bro, like I said, I got, like I said, I could vouch right now that all his trades that he does is on live stream. Nothing he does is off live stream. I mean, if he does do it, it's in his signal group. But like I said, when he streams Monday through Friday on New York, bro, I'm telling you, he's as cold as ice. This is what I'm saying, is that you might have not seen this video. This was a crazy. Let's see. This is one of those videos that you would probably see, that you would be like, oh damn, why did he do that? Let's see, where's this video at?
To buy entry here right now, as that count from a bottom wick, as a 3-minute bottom wick as well, right? So
Oh,
we mentioned earlier, 3-minute bottom wick, 5-minute bottom wick, 15 bottom wick, all same bottom wicks. Target is going to be 1906, and stops are going to be 1891 for now. And we might have pineapples later on. We'll see. This is the entry I had, right? The first thing this candle did on 30-minute candle, right? One, it closed above the range. Two, and it came down right away for a bottom wick, right? So you're assuming this candle's going to come up to at least rebreak its own high. That rebreak its own high will be your break-even point, which is going to be around 15, 16 pips. Break-even minimum, right? And then we'll let the rest rock towards TP.
bro,
I'm moving my stops break-even here.
Bro, like I said, he does. If he does do 10 pips, he does it 10 times in a row though, which is crazy. Like I said, it's all on stream. It's all on stream, which is crazy. That's the crazy part, bro. That's why I'm saying though, it's like, It's all on stream, and like I said, he has his playbook. Bro, the difference though between him and anybody else that's trading is that he teaches people. He's everything I've learned from his YouTube. I haven't paid for courses or anything. I got his free playbooks. Everything I've learned has been for free. I can tell you not one other trader is out there giving this much information for free. Everybody is charging for something. He charges for signals, yeah, but he also gives out free signals Monday through Friday for the New York session. What you're paying for is either the Asian set out trades anymore. I'm not sure if you aware of what he calls a zucchini and things like that. Yeah, like I said, I'm not sure how long it's been, but if you haven't watched him in a while, bro, you need to really watch him now. Don Vo's be on fire, I'm telling you, bro. Nobody can convince me otherwise. People hate on Don Vo all the time, but like I said, I watch him every single day. Bro is legit.
Gone buys here at 22.3 was my exact entry. Pineapples when? Pineapples probably at like 1917 probably. There you go, chat. So second position here, gone pineapples here. I don't think there'll be another position though. I think that'll be it. There's two positions. Third, pineapple here, chat. TP on every position, honestly. This is what I'm going to do. TP on this position is going to be 1919. TP on this position, 1919. TP on this position, 1919. Okay, here's the breakout lows here. So this is like, it's either going to reject
This
here,
is being in drawdown $50,000 too. Look, he's down 52,000.
Unless it's 5 flips. 4 pips away from stops. This isn't like the first time I've been here. It won't be a last time. I'm going to be here again. But that's something you got to accept as a trader. Once you're a profitable trader, you're still going to have down days, bad days. It's not just one smooth ride up, right? But yeah, man. Like, that's why I'm not stressed. Chat, I'm closing full here at break even. Alright, haters. I love you guys. But it wasn't the day. Gone buys here at 20.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, that was a crazy trade. Yeah, you wouldn't want to be that bad in drawdown, but for him to still figure it out and still break even, which is crazy. And that's just one trade. Like I said, you can see all these other. I'm just showing you the one that you would probably be the video that you would probably like. But like I said, his trade. Let me see. Home of CFX. Bro, because like I said, the ultimate goal is to make money. It doesn't matter how you make it, whether you turn around or you do a backflip or whatever. Yeah, and that's what I was saying, is that it doesn't matter how you make it. It's as long as you make it. His account. Yeah, look at this, is all live paid signals right here. But like I said, he was able to switch $100,000 account to $900,000, which is insane, bro. I wouldn't care how you get the pips. If you could trade 100,000 to 900,000, that's crazy. And look, this is his live paid signals right here. Look, 8 pips, 0 pips, 26, 10, 12, 12, 18, 0, 15. This one 0, 10, 0, 0. Bro, that's crazy. There hasn't been one loss in, but even these break evens are just break evens. But like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wins in a row with that. Bro, like I said, the thing is the only people hating on Don Vo are the ones who probably used to follow him a long time ago. But that's why I say, bro, it's nobody's giving out free information like he is, bro. Hey, he did that, I believe, in the matter of 1 year, though. In around this month or next month will be about the 1 year since he started that account. So in 1 year, he's been able to do that. But yeah, like I said, bro, Yeah, and like I said, you're okay with your experience, and like I said, I'm not denying what you went through, but like I said, I could tell you what I've been through, and like I said, I've never been scammed. I've never I've only taken trades because I've wanted to take the trade. I've never taken a trade because even though he might have, but yeah, this, but like I said, bro, it's there's no denying, the results that he's got. Because I guarantee you, nobody's giving out the amount of information he's giving out. He's giving out tons of free information, bro. That's the thing, is that I could guarantee you, though, nobody's handing out this much information for free and giving out free signals every day for New York, which is crazy, bro. Besides Raja Banks is the only other person I know that streams for New York. But, and I know he knows what he's talking about. I'm not saying he don't know, but it's just, I've watched a few of his too, and a lot of people always say the same thing about him. Oh, he doesn't, he that he doesn't, that he only trades, he only wins off stream and stuff like that. That could be true, but that could be for his signal group, But like I said, Donvo does it on stream. That's the one thing you can't deny. Solomon, my IG is the same as my YouTube name, bitmesone. But yeah, bro, like I said, the one thing you can't deny though is that he does it on live stream. Like I said, bro, it's all on live stream. There's no denying it. Who are you talking about? Are you talking about K1 Beats? Who are you talking about past them in February? Are you talking about Raja Banks? That's who I was talking about. Oh man, it's time to go to work. Oh yeah, that guy. Yeah, he was on Don's stream recently. And that guy praises Don Vo like crazy, bro. What are you talking about? Everything he learned was from Don Vo. He was said in his stream, "Oh, I wouldn't be here without you, Don Vo." But like I said, that all comes from the free services that Don Vo offers on live stream every morning, which is crazy, bro. Like I said, yeah, no, that's true. Yeah, no, like I said, I trust you, bro. I'm the same way. That's kind of why I started streaming, just so I had something to do. But yeah, like I said, the one thing you can't deny though is everything's on live stream, bro. That's the one thing you cannot deny. And everybody could say anything, but find me a video in his last 2 weeks. You might find one, but let's say in the last 10 videos, find a stream that has a losing trade. But you're gonna find 8 out of those 10 streams will have a winning trade. Yeah, I feel you, bro. I feel you. Hey yo, but hey man, I appreciate you, K1 Beats. I appreciate you for stopping by, man. Talking and stuff. I usually stream London every night. It was a little bit of a boring stream today. Didn't look like we did much today. All we did was just kind of range sideways. But I'm gonna be heading to work right now, so I'll see you guys on the next stream in Classic. I'll see you in Discord. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next stream. Hey bro, it's about, like I said, it's about how many pips you could actually secure, bro. Like I said, K1 Beats, if you could get 10 pips 10 times in a row, that's 100 pips. You're not getting one trade with 100 pips, and if you are, you're not getting it every single time, So like I said, it just you watch the live stream, K1, and find a stream in the next few days, in the last few days, that has a losing trade, bro. That's it. Like I said, the one thing is just the live stream. You can't deny it. Like I said, you can't deny the live stream. There's no denying it.